Hey students, here's how to make a poster from a template in Canva. Let's search here for recycling poster. And we get 45 templates that come up. That's amazing. So think about the assignment your teacher gave you and what your teacher wants as the final product. And use that information to pick which poster you will use. So maybe you're just going to hang some posters up around school and you want students to understand the different terms on the recycling. You simply click the template and you get an editable version. The slide bar here at the bottom lets us zoom in. So we're going to make it a little bigger here. And maybe we want to bring in some different pictures for what the different color bins are. So this is a great one. Maybe we want to slide it up for right now. And then over here in elements, we just search recycle. There's a lot of options and it'll take way too long to look through all of them. So let's narrow it. Recycle blue bin. Oh, there's one. So we bring in this image. Maybe underneath it, we want to add a text box. So we want to add a little bit of body text. We can grab it, and move it, resize it, and we can type here what goes in the blue bin, except you'll actually write what goes in the blue bin. And then on this side, we might do an element, green bin, and sure would be nice if we had a matching green bin to the blue one, but I don't see. Look at here. Here's a picture of both. I think I'm going to change and use that one. Get in, click this one, delete it, move my text box a little bit, move this one down. We can use arrows to move things too, but that takes a little longer. I don't need this website, so I'm going to delete that box. And that's really how it's done, you guys. We start with a template that already exists. We can change the title. Let me get it all selected here. What goes in each bin? And down here is where I can have my text boxes. Let's see once if I could Command or Control C, copy that box, and Control V, paste it. I can. And then I can get the same size text box with the same font, and I can put it over here and type the things that go in the blue bin versus the green bin. Up here, we just need to make sure it's titled appropriately, and our work here is done. Recycling poster. Done. Follow and watch for a different video with instructions on how to get your poster out of Canva and into your Drive so that you can print it. See you later.